In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new folder from the All Sites page. We'll walk through the process together so you can organize your sites quickly and confidently. First, make sure you're on your workspace dashboard and look to the top left corner. You should see an option labeled All Sites. Go ahead and click it. Depending on your layout, you may also see a prompt or link that says, Go to All Sites. Click that as well to open the full list of sites. This takes you to the central place where all sites are listed, which is the best starting point for adding a new folder. Now give the page a moment to load completely. You might notice a spinner or a loading bar at the top. Waiting for it to finish prevents duplicate clicks and ensures the next button you need is available. If your connection is a bit slow, that's okay. Just let it settle before continuing so everything appears as expected. Once the All Sites page is fully visible, look for the option to create a new folder. It's typically near the top of the page, often on a toolbar or next to other add buttons. Click Create New Folder. This opens a small dialog or panel where you'll name your folder. Type the folder name in the field provided. Choose something clear and descriptive so you and your team can find it later. Good folder names often include a project name, a client identifier, or a date, whatever helps you recognize the contents at a glance. Avoid unnecessary symbols that some systems don't allow, and try to stick to a consistent naming style so your folders stay neat and predictable. You can usually rename a folder later, but getting it right now saves time. After you've entered the name, click Create to confirm. The system will add the folder and return you to the All Sites view. You should now see your new folder in the list. If the list is sorted by name or by recent activity, it may appear at the top or in alphabetical order. That's it. By clicking All Sites, going to the full All Sites view, waiting for it to load, creating a new folder, naming it clearly, and clicking Create, you've set up a dedicated space to keep your sites organized. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along.